Alright guys, welcome to the first session of this project, porting a crypto trading bot from Bitmex to Deribit with hexadecimal. So in this section, I don't have it saved. So part one is going to be setting up environment and introduction. And then for part one of this part, or well, section one of this part, we're going to go over Git and Sublime. So this environment here, it's actually a virtual machine on my machine, and my video recorder is trained to this window. So in here, first thing we're going to do is set up, first we want to get out of here. We're going to set up Git. So in this virtual machine, all we've done is apt-get update and apt-get upgrade, so that we're ready to do stuff. Then we want a text editor. I wonder if this is using Google already. No, it's using DuckDuckGo. I don't really want to use DuckDuckGo. References? Search. Google. I can't use Google. Oh well, we'll use DuckDuckGo. But that just means I'm going to go to Google first. So I'll install Sublime on Ubuntu. I'm actually using Mint, but Ubuntu is basically the same thing. So I know how Git, which is good. Sublime text 3. Come on, guys. This is my text editor that I prefer in Linux. Can I not select this? There we go. Okay. I wish double click would select stuff. I kind of expect it to. Good enough. I think we just do sudo update and install Sublime Text. That's going to get me my text editor that I want. As soon as my internet complies with my demands. As soon as my internet, there we go. As soon as my internet complies with my demands. It's not going that slow, so I'm pretty happy. Alright, does my Windows key? No, it doesn't work for this, unfortunately. Okay, so I want Sublime Text. Here we go. Here's my fancy text editor with syntax highlighting and all that fun stuff. So double click doesn't work in my virtual machine. Anyway, what are we doing next? We want to find the repo. Git repo. So somewhere in here on GitHub, Bitmex Market Maker. Sample market maker. There's a different one that I want. Vastly improved. Which one do I have on github.com/downgraded/? Yeah. Because I've made changes to a Bitmex market maker somewhere in here. Oh geez, it was a Deribit market maker, so it's already on Deribit. All right, well, according to the project outline, we're going to take I'll just go back. Take the Bitmex one and put it on Deribit. So I was slightly incorrect in my thinking there. This is a sample market making bot for use with Bitmex. It is free to use, modify your own strategies. All right, well, let's clone this. And then let's see if it actually works on the Bitmex testnet. See what it does. Git clone this. And then we need to go to testnet.bitmex.com. We don't want to risk any actual money until we've tested it to see if it works on the testnet. Your email, jaredharris.done +market@gmail.com. JD, I accept. I wonder if to confirm that. gmail.com. Your registration is complete. We've sent you an email to your email address. Alrighty. Security alert. Come on, guys. Where's my Bitmex? Nope. I wonder if it's in junk mail. Nope. Did I use the right email? Jared. No, I didn't. That's funny. Go back. Jared with 2 T's. And we'll register again. Save. Jared R is done plus market. Come on, Bitmex. We know you can talk to there it is. Okay, verify my email. Thanks for verifying your email. Okay, so in this bot, we should go to Sublime Text. Can I hit File here? Or no, we have this open. Just go to that. Open folder. I want to go to my home and Market Maker. Open. And here we go. Market Maker. I guess it's Python. That's unfortunate because we told our friend that it was going to be Node. So we'll just tell him otherwise. Market Maker. README. Getting started. Create a testnet. Get dependencies. So I should probably do this. Also, do I have Python? Get dependencies. CD Market Maker. Whoops. Python-v. Oops, exit. Control D. Python -- version. Sudo apt get install Python - setup tools. Is this gonna work? Yeah. Whoops, I broke it. Python -- version. Okay, what did I do? Easy install. Try sudo Python. There we go. Because I didn't have permission to write in that directory. All right, what else are we doing? Edit settings.py at the root. Modify it to June parameters. Add your Bitmex API key in secret and change bot parameters. What was it again? Settings.py. It says it's going to be at the root. I don't see it. Settings.py file at the root. ls. Settings.py. Sublime. Settings. Okay, API key secret. Show all the notifications. I want to go to API. I've got some testnet balance, which is good. If I go into API key management, I can create a key. We'll just name it whatever. Give it order. We don't really want to do withdraw, which allows me to withdraw my test BTC. Don't really want to do that. Here's my key. And here's my secret. So I know the original Bitmex Market Maker. Okay. Bot. The sample bot that they provide basically makes a spread along the what am I trying to do? Along above and below the price, and allows people to pick up orders above and below at post only, which means that we don't pay fees on that. We actually get the fee back. So if I just do market maker XBT USD, this is going to work. Nope, no module named Lumpy. So what if I do sudo? Because we installed our modules with sudo. No, so sudo pip install Lumpy. That didn't actually sudo apt get install python pip. Didn't actually install all of our dependencies. So there's not too many of these to go through. We're actually going to edit our, whoops, what did I break? We're going to edit our outline. We're going to do install Python dependencies for get testnet API key 5. Okay, what else are we trying to do here? No module named Lumpy. Well, I just installed Lumpy. Oh, no, I didn't. Here comes the Numpy. Here comes the Numpy. Okay, try this again. Doing stuff. Starting thread. Connection to WS. Waiting for data images. This may take a moment. Let's see what this bot does. It sounds like it authenticated, which is good. So this may take a moment. Let's see what you're doing here. Control Shift F. This may take a moment. What's it doing? WS thread. Connected. Waiting for partials. Can I not double? Oh yeah, I can't double click. That's really annoying. So it's going to say after wait for symbol, it's going to do got arm market data as our next message we're going to get. So let's wait for symbol. Come on, I really want to double click this. Thank you. Wait for symbol. Walnut instrument. Well, we don't have the instrument trading quote in our self.data. We're going to sleep a point second. There's another step here too. What am I looking for? This may take a moment. Wait for account is the next one. If self should off. Margin position order. Sleep a point second. Well, unable to find settings xbt usb.py. So let's actually just try this again like this. See if that helps. Waiting for data images. Walnut margin instrument. What's self.set data? Unsubscribe. This data will come down. Wait for it. Wait for the keys to show up from the WS. Self.data. Data equals data. Self.data. If table not in self.data, what do we do? Print self.logger. Or what do we do with the this may self.logger info? Let's just throw this in here. Table. See what tables are getting. Couldn't connect to WS. Come on, WebSocket. Maybe we flooded it. No, we're good now. So it's not getting any tables. API key and connect. Subscribe to. Oh, it should give us this. A subscribing message. On message. This is also 4 years old, so it might not even work. Self.logger. What is it? Self.logger.info message. Let's just log the whole message. connected to WS, so we're not getting any on messages. WebSocket app. This is on started thread. On message. So this is working because it says connected to WS. Connected to WS. So why are we not getting the messages? Well, we might have to try a different market maker then. We might have to try their sample one because that one would definitely work. I wonder if we should do that. GitHub. Oops. GitHub Bitmex market maker. Doesn't really matter which one we port. As long as we port something. It'd be nice to have a decent one. Anyway, this one was updated more recently, so it's probably going to work. You sudo remove Asher market maker. Git clone this cd sample sudo python. Well, it's going to be in our history here. There. Okay, sudo in my settings.py, we have my API key and API secret. We're going to go ahead and open folder for the sample market maker. Open. I'm going to close out of this and close without saving, close without saving, close without saving. Okay, in here we have our setup py. Somewhere in here tells us what to do. Create a testnet. This will create settings.py. Do I not have a settings.py? Sublime settings. No, we broke something. Pip install Bitmex market maker. No, sudo pip install Bitmex market maker. ls. Market maker setup. Good enough. So now I should have settings. Sublime settings. Yep. So API key and API secret is this. Doot. Good enough. Now what do we do? Market maker symbol. Market maker sudo market maker. Sudo market maker XPD USD. No, I broke something. Import lib has no attribute reload. Google Python import lib as reload is forever. Reloading, how do I unload import lib? No attribute. Is that a date? I think that's it. Might be out of date issue. Oh, it's actually our sample market maker. Okay, I think this might be a duplicate. I get the same error. So what did I break here? What did I use? Pip. Sudo pip. Okay, let's try this again. Sudo. Oops. Sudo. Can I not cd dot sudo remove the char sample? Sudo pip. ls market. Oh, it's actually a thing. Market maker setup. Sublime settings. So my other settings should have my API key and secret. Kill this settings and don't save. So now if I do market maker, no, market maker expertise, no. Okay, so I guess we need Python apt-get install Python 3 pep. We need Python 3. So I don't know where our recording length is. We're up to 20 minutes. We got some more time. Okay, sudo pip3 install Bitmex market. Is it market maker? Yep. So now we're using Python 3. Sudo apt-get install Python 3 setup tools. Alright, try it again. Now we'll do sudo Python 3. What was the market maker? No. ls cd market maker. ls sudo Python 3 market maker. .py setup. Nope. Broke something here. Bitmex market maker. No. I broke everything. Sudo remove settings.py. This is really annoying. Sudo Python 3 market maker. Can't import Bitmex. Bitmex is right there. Alrighty. Well, it can be any bot. It doesn't have to be a market maker. Bitmex bot. I guess it's going to be Python now. Automated trading engines. GitHub. Come on, any Bitmex bot. CD dot. We just need one to work. CD Bitmex bot. Whoops, CD Bitmex bot. pip3 install our requirements. This might not even work. I might need to do sudo pip3. We'll find out here in a second. First, it's gonna get pandas. The good news is if this doesn't work, you can just use the cached version of these files. Nope, we gotta use sudo pip3. See, cached. Except for cxext. Maybe not, I guess not. Well, all good. Because we got the good internet. We're maxing out at 1.3 megabits a second. That's like 9 or 10 megabits. Nine or 10 megabits is all anyone really needs. So anyway, while we're setting this up, I wonder if there's a good Deribit. Oops. API Python. Deribit API Python. Deribit API. Yeah, there's one in PyPy. PyPy? Good enough. Found existing installation. Good enough. Now what do I do? Sudo, oops, what am I doing? I want to go to this. So set bot configuration. Somewhere in here there should be, actually I just want to sublime this folder again. Open folder, Bitmex, bot, close this one. Actually no, first one. I can't do that. Bot management, main requirements, main, bot management, here we go. Input bot ID, 1, leg span, 1 min. I wonder if this has to be a, oh, let's just try this. It doesn't say anything, use quotes. Logic Python file without .py. Main logic. Gorilla skin head chaos. Gorilla. Whatever that is. Trading platform. Only Bitmex now. Trade amount. I don't know, 100. Symbol. USD, USD. API. If. And I don't really want to use mainnet. Test is either true or false. Okay, now what? Close this. Execute bot. Sudo Python 3. I wonder what execute bot means. There's no such thing as execute bot. Why is there no such thing as execute bot? Find .bitmex. Execute. Alright, well that's really annoying. That's really annoying. Good enough, try this one. This one at least lets you execute Python main. That's good. Execute git clone cd baby. It's a big repo. This is got a Docker file and everything. Switchable. Backtest, connect testnet. Channel breakout, cross SMA. Open, close, cross. Trading view, Python, brew. wget, tar, cd talid. Alright, well apparently we're not supposed to clone this repository. wget. This. Tar xvzf talib cd talib configure prefix equals user. May consider link install. I don't know if I build essential. No, I broke something. So I have get install build essential. This would be a lot easier if I just rename the project. It's configuring now. Make and install. Alright, that shouldn't take too long. And then in our ebisu, cd ebisu pip3 sudo pip3 install. That's our requirements. Setting environment. We gotta export API key here. Whoops. Export. So this is going to be a environment variable, and this is our key right here. Secret equals. So is this not using testnet? Demo. Sudo python main demo strategy token. So now we just wait, and hopefully this strategy and bot are going to work the way we expect. I don't know what toglib is though, but we're installing it. There we go. We have toglib. We don't have include Python H. Google Python.h no file. Failure. Save protections. Close. Python dev. Sudo apt-get install Python 3dev. Python dev 1924 upvotes. So we had an error there called we didn't have python.h, which usually means we're missing a development header package. And in this case, it's Python 3dev. You get that a lot in Linux when you're trying to install stuff that requires a little bit more oomph. So this is going to be done in 55 seconds. Anyway, as far as the overview is concerned, like I said, all we're going to do is overview. Actually, no, well, find a bot that works. Box 6 is going to be overview. So now we have a bot that hopefully works. We're going to run out of time. If not, the overview is that we're basically just going to go ahead and use a Deribit Python wrapper, replace all the endpoints. So if you take a look what that'll look like in the files for the bot we have, which is ebisu, right? Ebisu. Open. What we probably have in our source folder is an API file that wraps all of the... Oh, it doesn't even use a package. So this one's going to generate a signature using hex cryptography. SHA-256 cryptography, I should say, with a hex value. It's actually creating its own queries to the API. So we might even be able to do it without a Deribit API package if we just replace these functions with what Deribit expects. So what else do we have? Use models. If not config. If test. So here it's building the API request, requests client, API key authenticator is one of these guys. It's right here. It's this class. So it goes through all these functions to build our authentication, which we can super do on Deribit. So really all we need to do is replace the contents of this file, but then every single request to the API is going to use a specific endpoint. So we also have to change all the endpoints. Now where does it do that? Bitmex? Class Bitmex. Oh, should be test API key and test secret. Anyway, somewhere in here. Oh, did we install Python 3 devs? We gotta do requirements. Okay. So in here, I think it's gonna go ahead and it's got like endpoint specific code here, like access margin. So this is a fairly long file, and we have to go through the whole thing to change all of our endpoints and all of our data points. So we have a 641 line file. Again, hopefully this bot even works. We'll find out in a moment. And what's our runtime on this video? We got 36 minutes. We already have Talib, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, darling. Done. Message back Python. Alrighty, so that all installed, and now we really want to do. What do we want to do? We want to do this. So we want Python 3, and we want sudo. So if I go in here where the export variables are, sudo Python 3 word. Oh, so my password out loud. No, we broke something again. All right, does it want Python or Python 2? No, Python 3.6.5. Python 3 version. That should work. Len. API key. All right, so let's just change our API key thing here. API key equals. API key equals. Good enough. Bitmex API equals API key. why start? Should we just do sudo export? Yeah, probably. Sudo export. Sudo doesn't have an export. Sudo -s. Sudo su. We're in the sudo user. We can export this and export this, and then sudo python 3. We don't need sudo now. Python 3 main.py demo. Come on now. pip3 install enter. We don't have all of our stuff. No invalid command. So there should be a package we can install for this. A pip3 package or apt-get. Pip install wheel. Pip3 install wheel. And try this again. Okay, and try this again. No. Come on, come on. Google. No attribute S. Yep, that's what we're looking for. The attribute library. pip3 uninstall attribute and pip3 install address. Oops. Uninstall. Why? Okay, and try this. Ah, we're doing stuff. I care. What did I break? Alright, error from callback. On message. On message. Somewhere in here. JSON loads message. How do I print something? Alpha longer. Longer dot error message. Longer than error WS. Okay, why is it missing a message? On message self. Oh. Okay, now it's doing stuff. So what's this swagger thing? Oh, what did I break here? None type is not subscribable. Self.get position. Current quantity. Because I don't have a position. Let's just open a position and see what happens. Open position. I want to market 1,000. How much is 1,000? 1,000 order value, available balance, cost 0. It's a market maker. Buy market. Buy. Oops. Buy market. Buy. Okay, we have a position. Try that. Have a balance, and it's doing stuff. All right, it's gonna order a short. It has a stop open. Stop market, stop price, triggering price. And I think that the bot is now working. So if the price goes, what's the price now? If the price goes down to 40, it's gonna do a sell for more than my position. So it just needed an opening. No, the stop is 8888. Oh, stop price is less than 8888. So if it goes less than 8888, well, that's a lot, though. If it goes less than, what's 92498888? Calc. 92498888. So if it goes down by 4%, it's going to go ahead and execute a sell. But I don't know if it has to go up by 350 first. It's a stop market untriggered. Maybe it's either. What's a stop market? Is that well, I guess that's what it's doing. Well, we can change the strategy anyway. What other strategies are there? We got one working though, which is good. All right, trading view, open, close, cross estimate. It's channel breakout that we're after, I think. Is it? Channel breakout. Line API key. Strategy. Channel breakout. Doten. Well, we can change it from 4% to something much less drastic than that. But that's that. So we're going to change this whole bot to work on Deribit. As we see the time roll on. Good stuff, everybody. So let's go ahead and go to our project outline, overview. We're going to add a session, and we're going to save and exit. We're going to go ahead and close this video at 48 minutes, just in time. Let's edit the project, actually. Go back here and call this, just so we know, 49 min. Oops. 49 min, and save and exit. Alrighty, good stuff, guys. That's the first part of this project. We're now about to start editing the files to make it work and make requests to the Deribit API. And then we're going to go ahead and make this bot work on Deribit API, where we also have 10 Bitcoin, I think, in test funds to do our business. All right, thanks. Bye.